So in this video, we shall be discussing about the conditions of the breakout or the breakout for this buy case and breakdown for this sell case. So let's move around. So let me draw a line here. Let me draw the support line here also. So when to buy in these cases? Let me find. Yeah, I got it. So let's say candle is forming like this in the next day. So should we just buy when this candle is getting started getting forming at this point and ride it from here? Actually, no, because we need to wait for the candle to finish. So tomorrow we are not buying or selling anyway. We're just waiting for the candles to finish. So let's say another candle is getting formed here in the downside. So we are discussing both the cases, right? So we are waiting for tomorrow. Let me just put it here. Yeah. So the main action starts in the next day, only and only if the candle is like this, and the next day we are buying if the high of this candle is getting broken, and in this case we will be selling it if the low of this candle is getting broken. We are not buying when this candle breaks this line, and we are not selling when this candle breaks this line. We are waiting for the next day to finish properly. Otherwise, see this kind of scenario here. See, there can be tons of weeks like that every day. So that is how the only way possible to do this. And what happens if a big candle is getting formed like this? Then we'll be skipping the trade. We should always look the risks compared to the reward. And most of the time, our SL or stop loss will be getting hit. But the risk and reward is very high here. So any chances when you are getting money and making some good trades, one single trade will make profit for 4 or 5 lost trades. So that is the concept you need to remember, and we shall be discussing on this thing later also. But this is the most important thing of breakout and breakdown, that you need to wait for a confirmation. If there is no confirmation, you should not be entering the trade. And let me draw the exit areas. Sorry, let me draw the support and resistance in the outside. And in the similar way, when it is coming like this, we need to see for the sell trade here. See, the above resistance we are seeing to sell, and the lower resistance we are seeing to buy. Okay, and it always work like that. And you can also argue that you can just sell here also. See, it works both way, whatever you want to do, right? But the distance between these two matters, because if you are selling here, the target is very low here, and also the stop loss is also very low. So we need to see the distance of the support and resistance lines also. So these lines are actually called pivot lines. You can see, you can do many setups like this, and there can be tons of theories, tons of possibilities. See, we can just buy if a line breaks like this. So I hope this is not a very confusing thing. I'll be showing you some more live trades, and I'll also show you some back testing. And see what I'm telling, that if we can also sell at this point, if tomorrow this line, this low of this candle is getting broken, because that is confirming that this price is going to consolidate in this area. But you'll be not getting a sharp move, because if you can see the previous candles, it is consolidating here. So you can actually exit with a very small amount of points, and that will be a very good money considering the SL is very low here. So how you interpret this is the most important thing here. Okay, but we shall be looking for the small stop losses and the big runs here. Let's see some more trades and let's discuss some more cases.